Jai Hind students, how are you? I think all of you will fine. God bless all of you. Today we are going to discuss the second part of Lost Spring, that is the Bengal Maker. Lost Spring second part is there. Anish Jung is the writer of this chapter, and again I want to tell you that characters are required for any story or any chapter. So main character is Mukesh. Second, a frail young woman. She was the wife of Mukesh's elder brother. All family members, his mother, father, or grandmother. One girl is there, Sweta. And Sahukar is there, bureaucrats is there, policeman is there, and middleman is there. So many paths are there in this story. Here I want to tell you that this story revolves around the Firozabad city, and that city is famous for Bengal making. In all the members of Mukesh family were Bengal makers, but Mukesh didn't like it and he wanted to become the motor mechanic. He decided to leave this job. He wanted to become motor mechanic, and for that purpose he used to go away from his village and want to learn the motor mechanic job. Firozabad is the center of the grass Bengal making city. There so many people are working. Around 20,000 children are working in that particular region, particular area. They didn't know that what will happen with them because they were poor and they have to work in dingy cells without proper light, without proper air. Now Anish Jung asked Mukesh that why you want to become the motor mechanic. Mukesh told her that he want to change this direction towards somewhere else, and he didn't like Bengal making profession. Then very happily Mukesh want to take Anish Jung to his house and want to tell very happily that his house is rebuilt, and in fact that is half built shack. वो आधा बना हुआ झोपड़ा था, and his father was tailor, and by hook and crook he was able to make his house again. That means he has rebuilt his house. These people think that this all the things is in their destiny. They cannot change their destiny. They have to work in the same profession, and long years back they are working like that only. One girl is there. She is Savita. She is sitting by the side of an old woman, and she was soldering the pieces of glass to make the bangles. She even didn't know what is this bangles is made for. What is that symbolize for what? This bangles is symbolized for what? This bangle is symbolized for Suhag. But that girl Sweta didn't know anything. She was just soldering. These people used to face so many problems there. Sahukars are there, policemen are there, middlemen are there, bureaucrats are there. When these bangles came out from Firozabad, these costs are nothing there. Maybe 20 rupees, 25 rupees. But when these bangles came into the market, they used to sell, who? Middlemen or shopkeeper used to sell even 100 rupees per dozen, or what is the cost. So the makers are not getting full money. That's why Mukesh break away this vicious circle. Anish Jung was very happy because Mukesh breaks away these vicious circles and change his direction towards become the motor mechanic. He was happy because in this profession nothing was there. These people used to lose their eyesight in the early age. They become very poor. They didn't see anything. Their future is not there. लेकिन मुकेश ने जैसे ही अपने जो है इस विशेष सर्कल को तोड़कर अपनी डायरेक्शन चेंज की, वो मोटर मैकेनिक बन गया, तो उससे क्या होता है, एक प्रोफेशन जो होता है वो प्रोफेशन चेंजिंग में आ जाता है, और उसके बाद ही कुछ बदलाव आता है। इस देश के कुछ बहादुर नवयुवक इस तरह किसी भी प्रोफेशन में जा सकते हैं और कुछ भी सीख सकते हैं। लेकिन इन चैप्टर के माध्यम से हमें यह पता चलता है कि किस तरह गरीबी हमारे चारों ओर घूमती है और किस तरह हम अपने देश के बच्चों को जो है शिक्षा नहीं दे पाते। लगभग 20,000 बच्चे जिनको स्कूलों में जाना चाहिए, वो शिक्षा ग्रहण करनी चाहिए, वो छोटी से छोटी एज में इन डिंगी सेल्स में, अंधेरी कोठरियों में बगैर रोशनी के, बगैर हवा के काम करते हैं, बिकॉज दे थिंक दैट इज देयर डेस्टिनी। बट वी मस्ट चेंज आवर डेस्टिनी। हमें अपने भाग्य को बदलने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, और इन चैप्टर के माध्यम से हमें यही शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें एक सेम लाइन को में ना चलकर अपनी लाइन को बदलना चाहिए, अपने भाग्य को बदलने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, नहीं तो सब एक ही जगह पिसते चले जाते हैं। इन चैप्टर के माध्यम से मुझे जो आपको कहने का अवसर मिला है, उसके माध्यम से मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि हमें जो है अपने जीवन में एक उद्देश्य बनाना चाहिए, और उस उद्देश्य को पूरा करने के लिए खूब मेहनत करनी चाहिए। मुझे विश्वास है ये चैप्टर आपको समझ आए होंगे। अब नेक्स्ट सेशन में जो है, जब भी आएगा, हम एक पोइम स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले कल और परसों में आपको कुछ जो है इनके क्वेश्चन आंसर सेंड करूंगा, रिटर्न मटेरियल सेंड करूंगा। आशा करता हूं कि आप ढंग से पढ़ रहे होंगे। मेरे बच्चों, खूब मेहनत करो। कोरोना की वजह से जो है हम जो है स्कूलों में नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारी भरपूर कोशिश रहती है कि हम अपने बच्चों को किसी भी नए नए प्रयोगों के द्वारा अच्छी शिक्षा दे सकें। धन्यवाद स्टूडेंट्स, जय हिंद।